Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make chicken noodle soup. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. For the most delicious soup, we'll start with a whole chicken, weighing approximately 3 pounds, ensuring a rich broth. We'll also need 2 cups of freshly chopped carrots and celery, along with 1 cup of diced onion. These foundational vegetables will build a robust flavor base for our comforting soup. Now, let's create that incredible broth. Place your 3-pound whole chicken into a large pot. Pour in 8 cups of cold water, ensuring the chicken is fully submerged. Add 1 bay leaf and a teaspoon of salt to enhance the flavors. Bring it to a gentle simmer, then cover and cook for about 1 hour or until the chicken is perfectly tender and easily pulls from the bone. Once the chicken is cooked, carefully remove it from the pot. Shred all the meat from the bones, discarding the bones and skin. Strain the rich broth through a fine mesh sieve to ensure a clear soup. Return the broth to the pot, then add your 2 cups of chopped carrots and celery. Cook these for about 10 minutes, then stir in 1 cup of your favorite egg noodles. Finally, let's bring it all together. Add the shredded chicken back into the pot with the vegetables and noodles. Continue to cook for another 5 minutes, allowing the noodles to become perfectly tender. Season with a 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, adjusting to your taste. Ladle your delicious, homemade chicken noodle soup into bowls and serve it hot for a truly comforting meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.